Who's more intelligent? The guy who plays chess or the guy who solves Rubik's cubes? At first, chess looks smarter. You're planning moves, predicting strategies, thinking 10 steps ahead. But Rubik's cube solvers? Their brains move insanely fast. They recognize patterns in seconds, memorize algorithms, and solve chaos almost instantly. One trains deep strategy, the other trains speed and spatial intelligence. So who wins? Honestly, neither. Because intelligence isn't just one thing. The chess player thinks longer. The cube solver thinks faster. Different skills, different brains, same genius. And most people can't do either.